Hi everybody, today we have an iCRco cassette and we're going to show you how to properly clean it. In order to clean the iCRco plate, we need an ATX CR cleaner and we need a general purpose cleaner and as well as lint-free cloth. We first start with the exterior of the plate. Just go very slowly. You don't need to spray directly on the plate. And then we gently wipe the plate. There we go. Turn it around. Wipe it further. There we go. We can see a little bit of dirt and grime already started coming off. There we go. Now we're ready to move to the next stage, which is to open the actual plate and access the white phosphor plate. We have a little clip here. For 3600 plates, we only have one clip. For if your machine is iCRco Chrome, you will have two clips here to open the plate. So we only got one in this case. So you just push that. And then I can just slide the carbon fiber just like that. So we just keep sliding. And I can take that out. There we go. And we can just place this somewhere safe. Now we got the plate all exposed. Okay. Now we have our CR cleaner. We don't need too much for this, so make sure you don't pour this on the plate again. Just very tiny bit of droplets. Here we go. Now I usually start from the front of the plate and go backwards, because usually this is the part that's really dirty, so you don't want to push all that dirt from the end of the cassette to the front of the plate. So we start from here. You just go that way. Straight lines. If you have dirty spots, you can just work on them. Here we go. Like that. You can just clean it. That's it. Now you can check the reflections to see if you got any dirty spots. You can see there are some artifacts on this plate. Here we go. So any dirty spots will appear when you actually reflect the light on it. And once we cleaned it, don't forget to also clean your cover. So the actual cover has corners, as you can see, all these little corners. So these should be wiped as well, all these corners. So you can go just like this. Can be wiped. This can be wiped as well. See all that black stuff in the corners. And notice I've got two sets of wipes. So one for the actual plate, and the other one is for the exterior. So don't use both of them. Don't get mixed them up. And once we're done, we just need to slide the carbon fiber back in. So just start from this end. Make sure you slide that in correctly. There we go. So once you start in, so you should just slide in very nicely. You don't force this. So it should go in very easily. If not, come back out and then start again. And that's it. Once you hear that click, give it a push. Make sure it doesn't just come out, because it should stay in unless you hit this clip, which is right here. Now we've completed our iCRco cassette cleaning. Thank you.